So I usually don't talk about non-sneaker topics on this channel, but I feel like current events really warrant this discussion. And so rather than starting off the video like normal, I'm going to start off this video a little bit differently. The first and most important thing is that racism has no place in our country and that change is necessary. I will never truly understand what black, brown, or for that matter anyone of a different ethnic background than myself has gone through or is going through. It's not only an American right to protest things that we know are wrong in our country, but it's also very important. The second thing that I wanted to touch on is that with change comes side effects and growing pains, and unfortunately one of those things is looting. I do not and cannot condone violence and destruction of any kind, and it's really disappointing to see that the livelihoods and businesses of people that we know and love are being destroyed. As individuals, what you and I can do right now is support and love those around us and be open to conversation, because that's the only way change is made. Obviously things are upside down right now, and I want to continue bringing you the content that you're used to from this channel so that at least for 5 to 10 minutes a day you can have something to watch to take your mind off of things. So I guess why don't we switch up gears and try to get into an unboxing. So today I received the package from, I believe, Adidas. I ripped off the tag, so I put Adidas sneakers up behind me because I'm assuming it's Adidas. I usually try and match the sneakers with whatever the topic is that I'm talking about. That's actually the first time that I've addressed that. I've never said that in a video before. I usually just let people figure that out on their own. But today's unboxing is a mystery, and I have nothing to cut this box open with, so we're just gonna use our bare hands, I guess. That was actually a lot easier than I expected. So here's the box. Let's open it up together and see what's inside. Oh wow, it's a Pharrell. Are there Pharrells coming out? I really didn't think there was any Pharrells coming out. Huh, okay. Let's pull this out. I'm not gonna look at the tag because I don't wanna see what Pharrell it is. Maybe it's something older, maybe they sent me an older one, or maybe it's something new, I don't know. It's got that Pharrell human race triangle right there on the top with the 2018 underneath the HU. It's got the Pharrell Adidas logo on the back. The box obviously comes in sort of a sail or light tan color that every other Pharrell box comes in. But other than that, without looking at the tag, that's all I can tell. So why don't we pop it open and see what we've got. Oh, of course we got a note. Let's read the note, that'll tell us. The note reads, Pharrell Williams Superstar. There you go, that's what it is. I shouldn't have read that actually. Inside you'll find a face cover and my latest drop from Adidas. It's important that we stay safe and stick together during these times. Thanks as always for your support, I appreciate you. An updated take on the classic Superstar using prime green recycled materials. Well, thank you Pharrell, thank you Adidas, this is sick. I'm excited to see it. I didn't even know he was coming out with a Superstar. Okay, so before we actually get to the sneakers themselves, it looks like Adidas actually sent through some face masks, which is kind of funny because I just bought a bunch of Adidas face masks like last week. It says face cover large. Let's pop this guy open, see what they look like. It looks like there is 3 in this set. Very cool, let's just take one of them. So according to the printing on the back, it says wash, dry, reuse. So these are reusable. I would have assumed that because it's a fabric material. This tag, I guess that you cut off. I don't know why they put tags on every single one of these, but it probably tells you how to use them carefully and properly. And then it also looks like there's a little pocket here if you want to add a filter of some kind, which I actually think is pretty nice. But I've got to say the material quality is pretty nice. It's stretchy, it's soft, it's not neoprene, but it kind of feels similar to neoprene. Let's throw it on, see how it looks. This is the first time I've ever done an on face. I feel like that just sounds weird in general. This is weird times. Do I look like Yeezy Busta at all? These are awesome. I'm gonna use these a lot. Thank you so much, Adidas. I appreciate that. Let's move on to the sneakers themselves. So as I mentioned, they are the Pharrell Williams Superstar. And the color that it says on the front of the box is, well, it doesn't really say a color, it just says letters. I'm assuming it's something white, something gold, and then something purple. I don't know what the adjectives. The adjectives, adverbs. I went to high school in the 2000s, so it's been a minute. So here they are, the Pharrell Williams Superstar. And I gotta say, this is a wild looking sneaker. It's actually all, they called it recycled, prime green, is that what they called it? Prime green. Apparently that's some kind of recycled material. What it looks like though, to be honest, is that they used old leftover materials from other sneakers, and I'll get into that a little bit more as we continue on with the sneaker, but it's really cool to see them work with other materials, especially on a sneaker as iconic as the Superstar. I didn't even know these were releasing, I had no idea. I've never seen these, I've never seen leaks of these, I don't even know if there are leaks of these. This is one of the few first impressions that I really have of a sneaker. Usually, when I get a shoe in the mail, I know that it's coming. I don't know that the sneaker's coming, but I know that the sneaker is releasing, and so I know what it looks like. I've done some research on the shoe, but this one, I'm literally going in blind. And I don't know if that's just because I missed the leaks, or maybe it's just been kept very, very secret, I don't know. But man, this sneaker it's wild. It's all knit, like I mentioned. The toe, instead of being rubber, comes in a very sort of stiff knit. It actually feels very similar to what you have on like Yeezy 350 V2s. It's that sort of knit. It kind of, like pops when you press it down, which is kind of interesting. And then the rest of the sneaker just feels like, I guess, just prime knit, like the prime knit Stan Smiths. It's a pretty similar feel to those. Now what I was saying before is that it looks like they used leftover materials from other sneakers for the upper of this shoe. For example, the yellow prime knit on the lateral side looks and feels just like the prime knit or circle knit used on the original Pharrell Human Race NMDs. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if it is the exact same material and the exact same color. Those shoes were fire, man. I always wanted to pair those. On the medial side of the sneaker, it looks like it's a very similar situation. You've got a couple different materials making up this side. You've got a dark, not prime knit, but some sort of like mesh fabric material. You've got sort of a stretchy, possibly nylon material, and then some more knit in green on the midfoot, which also has an Adidas tag right there in the center, which I actually really like a lot. But it really seems like a large portion of this upper is this white prime knit material, which I've got to say, from wearing the prime knit Stan Smiths, it does feel really good on foot. And it looks like the tongue itself is also prime knit with this tab, so you can pull the shoe onto your foot. What's interesting though is that there's some text that says, oh, it says Adidas, obviously. It says Adidas in like sort of a bluish gray, so it's really hard to read, but it looks like the insole of the shoe is kind of your standard Pharrell insole in that it has the foot reflexology chart on it right there. So the insole comes in a neon green with black printing, other than some of their other insoles or Pharrell insoles that come in a ton of different colors. The shoe comes with white and gray round rope laces, and I don't believe the shoe comes with any other color laces in the box. Nope, that's what you get, but to be honest, that's fine because the shoe is already so crazy colored, I don't really need another color. But it's a dope looking shoe. It's definitely out there. It's very, very different than what I expected. I didn't know what was coming, but I didn't expect this. On the heel of the shoe, you've got black and white prime knit that is Human Race embroidered into the top of the black panel. It kind of looks like it was drawn, and I wonder if Pharrell like wrote it out and then they kind of traced it or embroidered it. Then moving down on the shoe, you get to a white midsole and outsole. It all comes in one piece, and it's pretty much just your standard Superstar outsole. It's crazy how much the shoe changes depending on which side of the sneaker you're looking at, whether it's the lateral side or the medial side. It's just a completely different look. But at this point, why don't I throw these guys on feet, see how they fit, see how they look, and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Okay, so they do feel good on foot. They feel really nice on foot. The prime knit is definitely the superstar of the materials on the sneaker. Should I not have said that? That was stupid. No, but in all seriousness, the prime knit upper, or the prime green upper, is very, very comfortable on foot. It has a very sock-like fit, which I liked a lot. Sizing wise, I would say that this seems to run true to size. I'm a size 9, this is a size 9. It fit me great, I didn't have any issues. If you do decide to grab these, I would suggest going true to size. Unfortunately, I do not know when these shoes are releasing or what the retail price will be, but if you really do like these sneakers, I think they're worth picking up. But of course, huge thank you to Adidas and Pharrell for sending over this insane pair of sneakers. It's a wild shoe, and it's actually very, very comfortable. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.